you know that the Poconos is a four-season destination, and so when it gets mighty cold outside, there's always one place that you can go year-round, and that's here at Kalahari Resorts and Conventions. We're taking my daughter Prudence, who's now 4, to go splashing around. Come along. Whoa, this is exciting.
I said a giraffe in there.
A giraffe and an elephant. Whoa!
I saw a real giraffe.
All right.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. Let's go down to the water park. Are you excited? Can you press the button? Press the L. There, L, L. See it? Oh, nice job. Here we go. Whoa. This place has so much fun for every family of every shape and size. So we're gonna go through the arcade and down to the water park. Let's go. Let's go, water park time. Whoa. Towel? All right. This is amazing. A lot of different ways families can experience Kalahari are from the comfort of their own cabanas for rent, where you can have a TV and a place to lounge and then get right back into the action.
Prudence here absolutely loves jumping in the waves at the ocean, but guess what is a great time as well? The wave pool at Kalahari! Ha-ha! Woo-hoo-hoo! Is that?
Now hold on, let me take a video. Whoa, that was great! Oh my gosh!
And again.
The staff here at Kalahari is amazing. They take care of every one of your needs, and they make you feel like you're just at home. Kalahari is so much fun. We want to do it again and again and again. Cheers, Prudence. Jim Hamill and Prudence Hamill for the Pocono Television Network.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains magazine.